our 6 burners with griddle and cheese melter oven range combo. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 60 inches. Wait, is it 60? A depth of 32¼ inches, counting the splash. Minus the splash, we have 30¼ inches in depth. Overall height with legs towards the top of the splash, we have 59¼ inches tall. Minus the splash, we have 44½ inches. Coming to the right side, we have our griddle. Measurements for the griddle itself will include 24 inches in length, by 22 inches in depth, and a thickness of ½ inch. Coming beneath the griddle will be the waste tray that can be removed for cleaning, and this will collect all the waste and debris from the top. Right beneath the griddle, we have our cheese melter, and the measurements for the cheese melter basket will include 19¾ inches in length by 20½ inches in depth. Cheese melter can be removed and inserted back into the slot right beneath the 3 controllers for the griddle on top. Coming beneath the cheese melter will be an additional removable waste tray. Measurements for the waste tray will include 19¾ inches in length by 25 inches in depth. Waste tray can be removed and inserted back into the slot right beneath the cheese melter. Coming to the top of the range is the splash, and on top is the shelf. Measurements for the shelf will include 60 inches in length by 10 inches in depth. Coming to the left, we have our 6 individual burners. Each plate can be removed, and the measurements for each plate will include 11¾ inches in length by 11¾ inches in depth. Measurements apply for each of the 6 individual burners. Coming to the middle left side will be the waste tray. And this waste tray will collect the debris and excess from the burners. The waste tray measurements will include 31¼ inches in length by 25 inches in depth. Coming beneath, we have our left and right side ovens. And included for each oven will be 2 separate adjustable shelves. Each shelf will measure 25¾ inches in length by 24 inches in depth, with the interior height we have 14 inches tall. Coming to the far left side of the oven range will be the gas entry and black pipe for the gas connection. This oven range combo can be used for propane or natural gas. Included will be the gas regulator, along with the conversion kit if using for propane. Last but not least, this oven range is ETL and NSF certified. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.